Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share an altered time card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. Um, she's hosted this open collaboration for 3 years now, I think, or four years. Um, I started last year and then I continued it on this year, I think. I can't remember. Did I do 2025? I don't know. I forget. So she's been doing it for a while. So um, today I decided to alter a time card, as you can tell here. And this is week 35, August 27th for Deck the Year. So I'll have her information down below. I'm sure everybody knows Penny. So as you can tell, it's a strawberry theme time card. I just love it. So I decided to alter a Julie Nutting doll, and it is, her name is Olive. And I love her because she's just real simple, simple to color, simple to paper piece, and fussy cut. As you can tell here, I colored her skin with Copic markers. Some of my Copics are getting dry. I gotta refill them. I colored her hair. I forgot to put some cheeks on her. I'll do that after. I fussy cut the papers from Jenn's digital kit, and I'll have her I'll have her channel down below so you can go to her Ko-Fi um, link and see what she has to offer. I think she does more than just the strawberry kit, but this is the first kit I've purchased from her. I'm loving it. It's beautiful. I laid down some papers from her kit here and there. I stamped this script stamp, and I've showed this many times. I think I got this from Hobby Lobby, this stamp here. And I just stamped on the side here. Fun thing to do because it needed something, and I love how that looked. Here is some of her ephemera pieces. This is the mason jar. Here's a guest check. This one says, "From my kitchen to yours." This is a ticket that says Strawberry Festival, admit one, but I didn't realize she was going to cover that entire ticket, but oh well. I added some strawberries from Hobby Lobby, this strawberry sticker set. I just love it. Here and on her dress. I added some lace to her dress. So it gives her a little bit of dimension. She's popped up on some dimensional, so she does look like she's coming off the page. I added some of these, I don't know what you call it. These are resin pieces. It's a rainbow mix, and I just thought I'll get more use out of it because of the different colors. It's a lot. I'm like, oh my gosh. What else did I do? I inked the edges with vintage photo and walnut stain. Yeah, that is my, oh, and then I also added more lace to the tag on the edge here. It's from my stash. So I want to use more of my laces and my trims, and everything. I want to use everything up. So yeah, that is my tag, my strawberry tag for this week's open collaboration. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Thursday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.